Let's evaluate the limit. Question 1 limit as x approaches 3 of x cubed minus 27 over x squared minus 9. Step 1, direct substitution. We replace x with 3. The numerator becomes 3 cubed minus 27, which is 27 minus 27 equal to 0. The denominator becomes 3 squared minus 9, which is 9 minus 9, also equal to 0. Since we get 0 over 0, this is an indeterminate form, so we need to simplify the expression. Step 2, factor the numerator. The numerator is x cubed minus 27. This is a difference of cubes. Using the formula, a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus a b plus b squared, we get x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. Step 3, factor the denominator. The denominator is x squared minus 9. This is a difference of squares. Using the formula, a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b, we get x minus 3 times x plus 3. Step 4, cancel the common factor. Both numerator and denominator contain x minus 3, so we cancel it. Now we have x squared plus 3x plus 9 over x plus 3. Step 5, substitute x equals 3 again. The numerator becomes 9 plus 9 plus 9, which equals 27. The denominator becomes 3 plus 3, which equals 6. 27 over 6 simplifies to 9 over 2. Step 6, graphical intuition. The original function has a hole at x equals 3 because the expression is undefined there, but the graph approaches the same y value from both sides. That y value is 9 over 2. Question 2 limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. Step 1, direct substitution. Replace x with 2. The numerator becomes 2 squared minus 4, which is 4 minus 4, equal to 0. The denominator becomes 2 minus 2, which is also 0. Since we get 0 over 0, this is an indeterminate form, so we need to simplify the expression. Step 2, factor the numerator. X squared minus 4 is a difference of squares, so it factors into x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now the expression becomes x minus 2 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. Step 3, cancel the common factor. The x minus 2 terms cancel out, leaving x plus 2. Step 4, substitute x equals 2 again. 2 plus 2 equals 4, so the limit is 4. Graphically, the function has a hole at x equals 2, but the graph approaches the y value of 4 from both sides. Therefore, the final answer is 4.